Hi friends, it's me, Miss Allison, coming to you from inside our classroom. That's right, I'm in room 6 at the Early Childhood Center. You recognize the rug and the chairs? Yeah, I'm in our classroom. Today, I wanted to show you how to make a really simple paper airplane at home, okay? Since we're talking about transportation, and since today on the storyboard there was an airplane in the sky on the storyboard, right? So let's talk a little about airplanes. Here's how to make one, okay? I prefer to use lightweight copy paper for my printer rather than heavy construction paper, just because it seems to fly better and inside it won't break things, okay? So here's how you do it. Everybody paying attention, grab a piece of paper and bring it over. Okay, I'm gonna fold it in half the long way. Doo-doo-doo. See? And then I'm going to crease it. See? So there's a line across the long way of the paper. Now I'm going to do my triangles, okay? I'm going to bring a triangle down to the side and down to the side here. See? So it looks like this, right? Each side has a triangle, okay? Then do it again. We're going to do it 3 times on each side. The triangle, then fold to the bottom, then fold to the bottom again. Push really good, see? That's half of it. Now I'm going to flip it over. I did one triangle, now I'm going to fold to the bottom again, and fold to the bottom again. Now it looks like this. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks on the bottom, okay? Now, if you start flying it, it kind of falls apart, right? So here's my trick. I use 2 pieces of tape. One piece of tape I put on the bottom and I connect these sides together like so with a piece of tape, see? Now there's a good place for my hand to hold it when I fly it. Then I make a little tape donut and I stick it in here so this doesn't come apart, okay? Here's my little piece of tape. I'm going to make it into a circle. Sometimes people call it a donut of tape. And I'm going to stick it right inside here, right? And I'm going to put it together, okay? Here we go. So, now I have a nice paper airplane that I can fly. If you want, it's kind of fun to decorate the wings, right? You can do wavy lines so it looks like it's flying. Or you can draw your name. You can write your name. I'm going to write Allison, Allison. There you go. I got my big A and my lowercase letters after that, okay? So I'm going to decorate my plane, and then I'm going to fly it. Zoop! There it goes, see? They fly really, really well. Hold it on the bottom, put your arm back, and go zoop! And it will fly and give you lots and lots of fun, inside or out, okay? So keep your eye on your airplane and have a really good fun time flying it, all right? I love you. Bye. Have fun with transportation. Have fun with transportation that flies in the air. See you later, boys and girls. Bye.